day in Texas. We're going to take a tour of this bohemian bungalow. It was built on HGTV Tiny Paradise in Mason, Texas, and that's our tiny office. So this is a 14-foot slide out that's like a retractable living room. Comes in when you go down the road. Behind the 55-inch screen TV is a queen-size Murphy bed. That's where our son sleeps. And then it's got two tables that fold up. They pop up under there and have a thing to hold them. There's a closet over here for the boys. There's more hidden closets here. And more storage. We've got a full-size fridge, French door, side by side. And then you've got the farm sink, dishwasher, 5-burner gas stove, this beautiful tile backsplash, arabesque mosaic, blue, green, teal. Makes me smile. Over here we have a full-size closet for me. So I've got lots of space here, more storage up there, and then drawers, and plenty of space for shoes. A long hang-up spot here for longer clothes, boots. Okay. And we've got this barn door that leads to the bathroom. And here is where we store the broom closet. Over here is an awesome hidden slide-out pantry. Can fit a lot of stuff there, and then this is convenient to do the laundry behind me. There's the full-size washer, dryer. And then there's pull-out, lots of storage here. The pantry, lots of storage there, and drawers there. The trash bin is here. And then this pull-out storage for your cleaning supplies. We fit our Nespresso coffee corner here. These Edison bulbs. Tile backsplash. Makes me smile every day. And a 36-inch vanity with marble top. LED mirror. Vintage stained glass windows, all your bathroom storage, laundry. And here's the river tile, and more of that tile, another window. Then you step up into the bedroom, which also is a slide out, so that the bed is not wall to wall and you can barely crawl around it. I've got a good amount of space. table.